Puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today is another braideless crochet. It's a versatile one, so you'll have several different parting options with this one. But this one I laid the foundation down a little bit differently than what I normally do, and I used brand new hair. So the hair that I used is the KIMA KALON Harlem125. It's the original size, and it is in 24 inches. And this hair is really pretty. I really actually like the hair. It's bouncy, it's nice and shiny, and really healthy looking. I also used fro butter. I'll leave a link where you can get that. I use that in my parts. And then I used this 30-second molding gel to go ahead and mold my hair down. And then I used edge control to keep it nice and flat. And that's what it looks like with 2 packs installed into the back area. As you can see, the bun is totally covered. You cannot see the bun that's in the back of my hair, and the hair is fully covering it. The hair looks really good, and I was really happy with it so far. Then I went ahead and started installing it into the front section. I went ahead and used the regular crochet method for the sides, but then you'll notice as I get closer to the parts, I go ahead and use the invisible crochet method. The only difference between regular crochet and invisible crochet is for regular crochet you pull both ends into the loop. For invisible crochet you only pull one end of the hair through the loop, and I will show you that in the next clip. Okay, so now that I'm at the top, I'm going to show you the invisible crochet. So I literally separate the curl in half and only pull half through. That's the invisible crochet method, and I use that right near the parts to keep it looking more natural. Alright, so this is the last crochet I'm going to put in, and I'm really happy with the results, you guys. I like this length. I'm glad Harlem125 came out with a longer length. The 18-inch was really cute, and I like that, but I like having options, and I'm glad they did that. So I went ahead and put some makeup on, went ahead and gelled down my edges. I'm just using the Ebon edge control. That is my favorite edge control. It's the only edge control that I use. There is a link in the information bar down below if you'd like to grab that off of Amazon. I swear by it. So yeah, this is what the edges turned out looking like. Now I'm going to show you how it looks once you go ahead and part off all the versatile sections. If you have questions, please leave it in the comment section down below. Make sure you share this video if it was helpful to you, because that's helpful to me. Alright you guys, thanks so much. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Looking oriental. Me and my crew, we on a vibe. I told that girl, drop it like you're meant to. Round here, it's just me and my niggas, I see a ting with a real nice figure, yeah. She said she wanna get to know me. If I can get my money right, I'm about to hold it. Yeah, that's overdose. All these shots got my body in a comatose. And I see a shorty, yeah, I see you. And if I say I need you, then I need you. So come over, don't be shy, girl. I see you killing them, yeah, you fine, girl. I'm trying to take you home, make you my girl. But first, show me how you wine, girl, yeah. All the ladies in there feeling bossy. Show me what you got now, baby, it's okay. Drop down with it, yeah, baby, it's okay. I said drop down with it, yeah, baby, it's okay. All my dogs in the dance if you got game. Move to the girl, yeah, fam, it's okay. If you're on a wave, pop champagne. But I'm with my real niggas and we sipping on Ray. So all the ladies in here feeling bossy. Show me what you got now, baby, it's okay. Drop down with it, yeah, baby, it's okay. I said drop down with it, yeah, baby, it's okay. All my dogs in the dance if you got game. Move to the girl, yeah, fam, it's okay. If you're on a wave, but champagne, but I'm with my real niggas and we sipping all okay.